See sharper than ever. 10 superfoods to supercharge your eye health. 1. Fish. Oily fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help prevent dry eye, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are also high in omega-3s and vitamin E, which can protect your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that can boost your immune system and prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. 4. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, collards, and other leafy greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that can filter harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. 5. Carrots. Carrots and other orange-colored fruits and vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, which is essential for vision and eye health. 6. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin D, which can help protect your eyes from age-related damage, inflammation, and infection. 7. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, blackberries, and cranberries are rich in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that can protect the retina from UV damage and improve blood circulation to the eyes. 8. Yogurt. Yogurt and other fermented foods contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can improve your gut health and your eye health, as they can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of eye infections.